The 14th Rifle Division was an infantry division of the Red Army, formed in Moscow in 1922. The division spent most of the interwar period at Vladimir, after moving to the Kola Peninsula during the Winter War. The division fought on that front during the Continuation War. After the end of the Continuation War, it became the 101st Guards Rifle Division. The division reformed in 1955 from the 180th Rifle Division but became the 88th Motor Rifle Division in 1957. History. First formation. It was formed in Moscow on the 1st of July 1922. The division headquarters and the 40th Rifle Regiment were stationed at Vladimir. The 41st Rifle Regiment was in Murom and the 42nd Rifle Regiment at Kovrov. The division transferred to the Leningrad military district in Vologda during the late 1930s. Its regiments were deployed in Vologda, Arkhangelsk and Chernipovets. In September 1939, the regiments were each expanded to division strength, resulting in the formation of the 88th Rifle Division and 168th Rifle Division. On the 11th of September 1939, its headquarters moved to Murmansk. During the Winter War, it covered the Soviet border on the northern and northeastern coast of the Kola Peninsula as part of the Murmansk Group. It saw World War II operational service from the 22nd of June 1941 to the 14th of November 1944. On the 22nd of June 1941, the division was stationed on the part of the front length of 300 kilometers along the coast of the Kola Peninsula from Cape St. Nose to the island Kildon. It appears to have been part of the 14th Army. On the night of the 22nd of June 1941, the two regiments of the division and a reconnaissance battalion were deployed to the border with Finland, and occupied the area from the Barents Sea to UKHTA. On the 25th of June 1941, the division was reinforced by two regiments of the 52nd Rifle Division. On the 29th of June 1941, parts of Mountain Corps Norway, after an artillery preparation and with bomber support, launched an attack on the division. The main forces struck at the 95th Rifle Regiment, which was unable to hold strike, and more in retreat, if not escaped to the village Tythuka. Dragging approached the position of 325th Rifle Regiment of the same division. The enemy was stopped by the division altogether with parts of the 23rd Fortified Region and supported by the Northern Fleet and the approaching 52nd Rifle Division at the turn of River West Face. On the 14th of July 1941, the 325th Rifle Regiment landed from Northern Fleet ships in the amphibious landing on the north-west coast of the Great Western People Bay, where it fought heroically until the 2nd of August 1941. On this day, the regiment was evacuated from the beachhead and moved by ship to the main forces of division in the southern part of the Great Western People Bay. The 135th Rifle Regiment, separated from the main force of the division, was converted to the 254th Separate Marine Rifle Brigade. The German troops were unable to penetrate the border in the positions. On the 8th of September 1941, the division was forced to retreat further, releasing a small bridgehead on the eastern bank of the river. By October 1941, the front line was stabilized at the bend of the Zapadnaya Lisa River. On the 22nd of October 1941, Wehrmacht, on the orders passed on the defensive enemy at the division site, has moved only about 30 to 60 kilometers, which was a record minimum advancement and satellites of Germany for all time. The Second World War. Until October 1944, the front line remained unchanged. The division fought in small-scale battles. During late April and May 1942, the division participated in the unsuccessful Murmansk offensive with other units. On 7 October 1944, the division took part in the Petsamo-Kirkines operation, advanced on the main line of attack, taking part in the liberation of the cities Pechengitan at Kirkines. It was awarded the honorific Pechenga. After the operation, the division was put in reserve. On 1 November 1944, it was part of 131st Rifle Corps as part of 14th Army, Karelian Front. On 30 December 1944, it was transformed into the 101st Guards Rifle Division. Second formation. In 1955, the 180th Rifle Division was renamed the 14th Rifle Division in Belgorod-Dnestrovsky, part of the 10th Guards Rifle Corps. On 17 May 1957, the 88th Motor Rifle Division was formed in Belgorod-Dnestrovsky, Odessa Oblast, from the 14th Rifle Division. It became the 180th Motor Rifle Division in 1965. Composition. The division's first formation included the following units: 95th Rifle Regiment, 325th Rifle Regiment, 135th Rifle Regiment, 155th Rifle Regiment, 143rd Light Artillery Regiment, 241st Howitzer Artillery Regiment, 149th Separate Anti-Tank Battalion, 364th Separate Mortar Battalion, 35th Reconnaissance Company, 14th Engineer Battalion, 112th Separate Communications Battalion, 75th Medical Battalion, 139th Motor Company, 285th Field Bakery, 203rd Divisional Veterinary Hospital, 669th Field Post Office, 185th Field Cash Office of the State Bank.